Do you make these common errors while speaking English? If yes, then it's time to rectify your mistakes. Check the first sentence. Me and my friends are going to a party. So we don't say me and my friends. Instead, we must say my friends and I are going to a party. Always use the pronouns in the subjective case because here the pronoun is acting as a subject. Let's check the next sentence. I am not used to eat spicy food. So never say I am not used to eat. I am not used to eating because of am, which talks about a continuous action. So we say I am not used to eating spicy food. Let's check the next sentence. I have been working here from 5 years. So when you talk about a duration or length or span, we never use from. We always say for. So we say I have been working here for 5 years. And the last sentence is there's many people waiting in line. So instead of saying there is many, when you talk about many, which means plural, so we always say there are many people waiting in line. I'm sure you'll keep all these things in mind and definitely try to rectify your errors when you speak English the next. So looking forward to your comments in the chat box, and do not forget to click on the subscription button if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for my upcoming video on the prepositions since, for and from so that you get an insight into the usage of the same. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and keep shining. Bye.